Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to do online edit in Omron CPUs or in CX Programmer. Let's start it. P on, and I will put here, for example, as output W 7.13. Okay, this is our code, and I will start our simulator. And now what we need to activate, for example, online edit. Imagine that you need to put a contact to here, and how can you do it without stopping CPU? Control E, and I can put it. Dear students, if you want to learn PLC programming effectively and professionally, you can learn it with the Derstagram. If you go to Udemy, if you search in here Derstagram, you will see my 4 course, and then we are creating a new PLC programming courses and the next things. First of all, if you go to complete Delta PLC programming course, you will see 127 lectures and 14 total hours course for Delta PLCs. And in Omron PLC programming, you will see 2 different software. CX-One Sysmac Studio software is included to this course. If you go to in right side, you will see 10.5 hours video tutorial, okay, and then 14 articles and etc. And if you go there a little bit down, you will see complete sections and whole HMIs also. And also you can read, you can see Siemens PLC programming basics and the Lenza PLC programming basics. The Lenza is the first course that ever created in YouTube, in Udemy also. And there you will see like a code sys, okay, a lot of course points in Lenza. If you go to course sections, okay, you will see Lenza PLC programming basics and also industrial automation basics like a power supplies and relays, and these sections are always updating, and also control circuit basics and etc. and gifts. If you want to reach to these courses with the lowest price, you need to go to www.derstagram.com, okay, and then you will see these courses reach course buttons. If you left click to Omron PLC programming reach course button, you will see lowest price coupon is added to here, okay. If you go to, for example, Lenza, and then you will see lowest price coupon is added to here, okay. So you can reach to whole courses with the lowest price coupon via derstagram.com, okay, and you can learn PLC programming with us. See you in the courses. Here, just like this. This is start edit. This is Control plus E, start online edit, and Control plus and Shift plus E, send changes. Let's try once. First of all, I will put here, for example, W5.10, and I will press now Control Shift and E. Now it is sent to CPU. Again, Control E and Control Shift E, Control E, and now we can delete it. And yes, and Control Shift E. So this is how can we start online edit and how can we send our changes to CPU. Like I said, Control E and Control Shift E. This is the shortcut for the online edit in CX Programmer. I am finished for this video. See you in the next video.